What's going on, YouTube? Legend here. Episode 9 of Gotta Catch 'em All. And in this episode, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 random booster packs. Now, Target, at least in my area where I live, has been on some epic levelness, however you want to say that. They had to buy one get one free, and now they have new, old, and super old, but of course all those are sold out, booster packs. $2.60 a piece, 3-day special. Now they all come in a little cardboard pack like so, but for viewing's sake, I got rid of all those just for this one. So it's time to open up some stuff and see what we get. We got a lot of different varieties here. Now I'll put this over here in the first pack. Black and white emerging powers. Let's get it. I don't know the card tricks. I don't usually do them anyways. Furrow Seed. P-Dove. Cottony. These cards are bent. Damn. Sandile. Roggenrola. Makes sense. Reverse Hollow of a Beatrick, and that is a rare, and the rare card in this pack is a Whimsicott non-hollow. Oh man, these cards are terrible. Look at that. That really sucks. Hope that fixes. Damn, that's bad. Great Ball, Gotharita, Baldor, and here is the code card. Oh man, that really upsets me. It's nasty to look at. Why would they be like that? Phantom Forces, excuse me. Okay, apparently it was just that one pack. That sucks in general, but thank God it's not all of them. Bumblebee, Zubat, Skarmory, Gulpin, Frillish, and reverse hollow of a Liveni. Oh, another rare. And the actual rare in this pack is a Crobat, non-hollow. So I got 2 reverse hollows. Rare. So I'll consider that 2 for 2. Sligpoo or Sligoo. Double colorless energy. And a Kingler. I'll consider that 2 for 2. Oh man. Forgive me, I'm pretty tired. An epic leg day and getting ready for this powerlifting meet. But here we go. Look at that. Call of Legends. Yeah, like I said, my Target has been on some epicness lately. There's got all this crazy stuff in, and it's just like, oh. Alright. Got a lot of stuff to open up the next week. Ooh, this is tough to get open. Oh man. Sorry guys. Oh man, I hope it's epic. That was tough. Relicanth. Oh look at that artwork. Cyndaquil, Snubble, Pidgey, Slowpoke, Flappy. That is an uncommon reverse holo, and the rare Ampharos, non-holo. Oh wait. Oh yeah. Okay. Yep. Rare non-holo. Seviper, Sage's training supporter, and a Quilava. Excuse me. Primal Clash is next. Sorry guys. Pretty tired, but just want to get this. Couldn't really wait to open these. Pretty excited actually. Clamperl, Nidoran, Tangela, Loomies, Slugma, reverse holo of a Tentacool, and that is a common card. Alright. The rare is Breloom, non-holo. Still haven't pulled a holo rare. Really hope I do with all these packs. Bibarel, Groudon, Spirit Link, Masquerian. Look at those eyes. Everybody's drew a set of those between 5th and 12th grade. Oh man. Platinum Supreme Victors. Let's get something great. Give me a Charizard. Give me, or may I, or please, or something. Anything. Maybe they're selling all these packs because there's no holos in them. Who knows? Baltoy, Pachirisu, right? Yeah. Mankey, Doduo. Oh shit. Oh, excuse me, Pikachu, and that is a rare reverse holo of Absol, and the rare in this pack is a, yeah, Absol, holo, Absol, reverse holo. I've done this a few times, pretty sure a lot of people have, but I'm happy. Yay, got my holo. Good. Ooh, look, Raichu. No. And Murkrow, and a Battle Tower Stadium. It's funny how some Pokemons are rares and some Pokemons aren't in certain series. Orange Skies, Deoxys on the cover. Cascoon, Hawlucha, Dratini, Inkay, Natu, reverse holo of a Dusktox, and that is just a, come on, something good, something I don't have. What do we got? Oh, yes, Hydrogen EX. Sick. Nah, it's cool. It's a good card. Thank you, thank you, thank you. The newer pack's showing justice. Very good. Alright. Pelipper. And a Wally Trainer. And a Dustox. Just pulled the reverse holo in that. Waste. Could get. Reverse holo should always be a rare. So that way, if the actual rare in the pack is a non-holo, you still get something out of the pack. Maybe new Breakpoint will be like that. Can't wait for that. Be nice. Alright, 2 more packs. Dragons Exalted. I'm excited about this one. Hopefully we get some good stuff out of this. Never opened a Dragon Exalted pack, but I've seen some epic openings. So, hopefully. Golett, Electrike, Dienome, Baltoy, Bidoof, Reverse Hollow of a Bidoof. And the rare in this car, or in this pack is... Yes, a hollow. And it is an Altaria. At least it's a hollow. Thank you, Exalted Dragons, for treating me well. Kind of looks like a broken TV screen, these hollows. Very good. Gothorita, Larion, Buffaliant. Oh, that's some sick artwork. There goes the mouth. Kind of looks like a Taurus on steroids, or... No, Taurus was already on steroids. With an afro. Taurus with an afro. Alright. There goes your Exalted Dragons card. Alright, last pack, guys. Furious Fist. Let's get it. Let's end this video good. Clauncher. Eevee. Nice artwork. Scropy. Drowsy. Bellsprout. Reverse Hollow of a Mienfoo. And the last rare out of all these packs is a Jinx. Non-hollow. Oh well. Oh, look. Remember when this was a rare? And it was hollow? And it was awesome? Hitmonchan. I don't even know how to say that. Selgor. Sounds like some Harry Potter stuff. Poliwhirl. And here's your code card. It's just like WWE. Remember this, remember that, when it was awesome. Oh well. Well, thanks guys for tuning in. I got a lot more stuff coming up. I hope you enjoyed this video. I pulled some pretty okay cards. I'm not too not complaining. They were under $3 a piece, so whatever. But comment below, like, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know if there's any improvements you need to see. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks, guys.